Hey everybody, Shawn here. So today what we're going to discuss is protein, what the function of it is, why it's important for our bodies, and how it essentially affects us when we are eating it and what it essentially does for us. Okay, so we have a lot of different pictures here. Going to kind of go through each picture to explain to you what do each of these pictures mean. So I want you to visualize in your mind that you're driving from Florida all the way to New York. And as you're driving from Florida to New York, let's say your car just randomly breaks down in the middle of the road in North Carolina. Okay, what's the first thing that pops to your head? You know, where do you need to bring your car? Where do you need to get your car brought to be able to make sure it gets fixed? Okay, probably first thing that comes to your mind is a car shop, or one word I want you to think about is a mechanic. Okay, so protein helps to repair or rebuild the muscle. Okay, we want to make sure we're not getting protein just at one part of the day. We want to get protein all throughout the day. So that's why it's super important that we're getting it at breakfast, we're getting it at lunch, we're getting it at dinner. And then we're also getting little bits of protein in our snacks as well, in between those meals. So why is this so important? So as an athlete, when we're doing exercise or training, or just any type of activity in general, right? Whether it's lifting, whether it's practice, whether it's competition, okay? What ends up happening is we have these small muscle tears in our muscle fibers, right? And for us to repair those, we have to get the protein in through our food to get to the muscle to be able to repair the muscle, right? Because ultimately our goal is, if we're eating enough food to get the calories that our body needs based off of how active we are, right? If that muscle is then now repaired, we're recovering for the next day of training. We're recovering for the next bout of training. And the more recovered we are, the better output we can give into our performance, or specifically what we're doing for our sport, right? As we can continue to build and train and fuel ourselves appropriately, right? That's going to help improve our muscle mass or our fat-free mass, which could relay over to improving our strength, our power, our speed, and then just our overall performance as we progress through our lifetime as an athlete. So that's just a quick and dirty explanation of what protein is, why it's important, and how it's going to affect your body. All right. You'll see I have a picture of a piece of chicken here on the bottom, which is an example of protein. If you watch the other two protein videos that I do, there is several different examples to give you an idea of what those examples are.